Bisha iria ikoretwo ikithiururuka mitambo-ini ya nenda ya mutumia akigirika kugia mwanaja wa thibitari wa Pumwani kaunti ya Nairobi nimenereirio ni muingi riu ikiguciriria mawoni ma minista wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe.
Mama ambaye anajifungua, it is really disheartening to be told that there were people there were nurses, there were doctors who are just staring at this lady. And honestly, it is completely ungodly.
Pumwani ni thibitari ya miaka mingi muno, koguo ni uhoro ingiuga wa kumakania turonire na no twende kugania data cha our health ni tukuraria na NMS no ni American explanation. No, that is not enough. Tumenye kana kwina mathina, our health officers tu ni murutite wira mwega na tutingira wira ucio thuke. Turore atumia itu independent kubira twahirwo wiyathi kahinde ni agautire mutumia agro no korwo ati no aherwo mwana barabara-ini.
Kagwe oreti maofitha a ugima wa mwiri kuririkana mihitwa yao ya wira wa gutungatira muingi na kwaga kwiyenda ona riria kuri na mathina maramagumira.
When you have got a lady giving birth in front of a hospital and nobody takes responsibility, even a person kusikia tu hata utu, not even professionalism, not even jobs, just kusikia tu. You know, it's not as if it is somebody who is drunk sleeping out there in the... Sio mtu ambaye amelewa, ambaye amelala hapo, ambaye unaenda kusema wacha huyu akae.
Munini wa President William Ruto onake ni amenereirie gutiganirio kwa mutumia ucio akiuga thirikari ni igithitie mbeca hari motungata ma ugima wa mwiri.
Tafadhali kila mama ambaye ni mjamzito akifika wakati wa kujifungua asikuwe na wasiwasi ya kwamba ataenda hospitali ataitishwa pesa. Kila mama ajue katika taifa letu la Kenya anaweza kwenda hospitalini akajifungua na gharama ya kujifungua kina mama italipwa na serikali ya Kenya.
Ruhonge ruria rurugamireire motungata mamwe ma Nairobi niruo NMS nirwandikite marua ma kuhoya urekeri na kwiranira gucenjia murutire wa wira thibitari-ini wa Pumwani.
As Nairobi Metropolitan Services, we sincerely regret the incident that happened.
Health of the nation tunataka ikuwe streamlined, na mimi naunga mkono kwamba tuwe na commission yenye itaangalia maneno ya wahudumu wa afya.
Look, a delayed salary is not a denied salary. It is just a delayed salary. Because if you go on strike, what are you saying then? Are you saying that when we open or when the salary comes, the day that you did not work, we should reduce by that day?
Giko giki kironekire kumana na mugomo wa maofitha a ugima wa mwiri thibitari-ini cia muingi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.